Hello everyone, and today I want to show you how my text animation system works. So in my pack you can open tutorial map. It has big and detailed tutorial, but in this video I will show you everything by myself. So let's drag BP animated text master on map. Let's start with typing some text. I will take this text. So you can type some text, you can select row size, you can select distance between rows, you can select vertical alignment, horizontal alignment, and that's all for the start. So let's talk about appearing animation. So all animation in this pack implemented with curves. So let's bring some vector curves. So location, rotation change, scale change, and color change. Let's set up animation time, 1 second, and I will hit play. Now I will select my text actor and hit play appear from command. As you can see, appearing is going on, location is changing, rotation, scale, color, and opacity. So for this tutorial I will add this play appear animation on begin play. So it should work. Yes. Okay, so how it works? So we have location curve. If I will open it, you will see that every letter will start in location -200 and smoothly go to 0. The same with rotation. In this example, X rotation will change from 90 to 0, scale will change from 5 to 1, and color will change randomly, but opacity will change from 0 to 1, and every animation goes for 1 second. So if your animation will be longer, you need to set up different appearing time. And delta time between letters appear determines what delay will be in appear animation. So if I will set up this variable to 0, all letters will appear in the same time. Okay, that's about appearing animation. Now let's talk about continuous animation or looping animation. It also implemented with curves. Let's set up some curves, rotation, scale, and color change. Right here. Okay, so it also has animation time, but it's a bit different. So as you can see, for example, location animation will go Z offset will go like that, and then it will go again and again and again, and it will be looping. So one loop time is 1 second, so 1 second is here. Let's also set up infinity continuous animation true and hit play. So as you can see, after appearing, each letter begins to play continuous animation and it will play infinity. If you want not infinity but some time, you can stop this time, so 5 seconds in this example. Let's set up should disappear, So appearing, each letter will play looping animation for 5 seconds and then it will stop. But we don't want stopping, we want some disappearing animation. So let's say destroy after disappear true, and let's specify some disappearing curves: location, rotation, scale, and color. So location will change like that, rotation will change on y-axis, scale will change from 1 to 0, and opacity will change from 1 to 0 also. And disappearing animation time will be 1 second. And let's hit play. So appearing is going on, then looping animation, and disappearing one by one by one by one by one. Now I want to say a few words about transition settings. So first setting is play continuous animation after all text appears. Let's set it to true. I will remove some text to make it faster. Let's see, appearing. After appearing is over on all text, then we'll play continuous animation. I may also change smooth continuous start after all text appears true. You can see a difference now. No, you can't see a difference. You will see a difference if I will also set up continuous time step. So in this example, yes, as you can see, continuous animation or looping animation begins after all text appears, but with some delay between letters. Also, I want to set up synchronous animation true and smooth continuous start false. Let's decrease continuous time step, and you will see a difference that continuous animation starts to play after all text appears, but it starts to play at the same time and with different animation frame. Okay, so I will remove it. You're able to use destroy after disappear. It means that every letter will be destroyed after disappearing animation is over. You may use delay between letter disappearing if you want them to start with some delay. Disappearing animation will be started with some delay for each letter. Also you may enable or disable disappearing, and you have additional transform settings. You may add some additional random transform, like from -10 to 10. No. Let's add this on z-axis. As you can see, it has some random now. Also, you may add the same for rotation. I will set up the same value, -10 and -10, and you will see that letter will have this equal rotation offset, but random location offset. Also, I may add some random for scale, and if I will hit play, you will see that additional transform works perfect with animation. I will revert it to default, and also you have some settings in text settings. So you may change reverse animation order. So by default it's forward. You can change to backward. It will start from the end, and continuous animation will start from the end, and disappearing will start from the end. Also, you may change to random, so it will be random appearing and disappearing order, as you can see. Also, you may change frame rate. to optimize this text actor. So 10 frame rate is very bad, but it's good in optimization. I will recommend you to leave this variable between 30 and 60. So at 30 it's smooth, but it's optimized. Let's revert it to 60. Also, you may use actor for each word setting. It also made for optimization purposes, so every word will be a separate actor, but not every word, but not a letter. Also, if you want to change opacity in animation, your BP text render actor, text render component should have material with opacity parameter, and this opacity parameter should be specified in this text variable. Also, you may change preview text color. If you don't use any color change in your animation, then you can use this variable as static color for your text. And you may also use these commands. I will remove appearing on begin play. So let's select this text, play appear. Okay, now I also want to use play disappear. Bad example. I will select infinity continuous animation. I will hit play. I will start play appear, and at any moment you want, you can call this play disappear from command event, and disappearing will go. You will see that disappear started at the same time for each letter. We may change it. In disappearing animation settings group, you may change delay between letter disappearing. Let's set it to 0.1. Let's start appear. And let's start disappear. Perfect. Also, you may use total reset event. It allows you to reset your animation actor and play animation from the start. So total reset, play appear, play disappear, total reset, play appear, like that. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you may also look at my tutorial map when you will buy this pack. I will leave a reference in text below this video, so you can follow to Unreal Marketplace and buy this text. Thank you for watching.